What if you wanted to cover different niches sa tutorials mo? For example, you wanted to be a social media manager, but at the same time, you also wanted to be an Amazon VA. So, paano mo siya gagawin? What you can do in those instances is i-separate mo sila by category para yung mga tutorial na specific for social media management, nandun lang siya magkakasama. And the same goes for your Amazon VA tutorials. And I will show you how to do that. One thing that you need to understand about WordPress is that medyo may pagka-fickle siya in the sense na minsan may mga certain actions na hindi nagwo-work sa'yo, pero sa iba nagwo-work only because magkaiba kayo ng settings. For example, like this one, yung website natin ngayon, it's set up in a way na yung menus natin is vertical siya. Diba? Pababa siya. Ngayon, since maglalagay tayo ng separate categories, what we need is gawin natin siyang horizontal para mas makita and mas ma-highlight yung mga subcategories. Now, there's a way to work with this theme, but an easier way to do that is to actually just change the theme para mag-suit dun sa needs natin. So, first and foremost, let's go ahead and change the theme muna para makahanap tayo ng theme na will allow us to have horizontal menus. To do that, balik ulit sa homepage mo. And then, close mo tong site. Go to design. And then, punta ka sa themes. Tapos, hanap ka lang dito ng mga free. For example, this one. As you can see, yung menus niya is horizontal. So, we can try this one. To activate it, just click these three buttons and then click activate. And then, activate mo lang ulit. Then, go to the customize site. Yan. So, as we can see here, ito na siya. Meron na tayong horizontal view. So, labas na tayo dito. To set your categories, punta ka muna sa post mo. So, go to post again. And then, punta ka dun sa pinaka-recent na ginawa mo. And then, click on these three dots. And then, click on edit. Dito sa sidebar mo, look for categories. And then, click on add new category. And then, lagay mo dyan tutorials. Then, add mo muna. So, andito na siya. Tapos, make another one in relation dito sa tutorial na ginawa mo. So, this is for social media. So, lagay natin social media management. And then, do sa parent category, click the drop down, and then choose tutorials. And then, add mo ulit. Okay? And then, update mo na yung post mo. Now, meron na tayong categories. What we're going to do now is kailangan na natin siyang ilagay sa main page para magkaroon tayo ng menu. So, the next thing that we're going to do is to add the menus. To do that, go to Design, and then go to Customize. Then, itong menu, click mo, click Primary, and then click on Add Items. Okay, so from here, ang kailangan natin piliin is categories. So, you can actually make a menu based from posts and then based on tags. For us, we're going to use categories. So, click on the drop down and then click mo to. Ayan. And then, nandun na siya. So, as you can see here, andito na siya. Pwede mo siyang i-arrange. Ayan. Currently, nasa, ano lang siya, pinaka-top sa tutorials. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is magkaroon tayo ng submenus para lumabas yung other categories. Di ba gumawa tayo kanina ng one for social media management? So, gagawa natin siya ng drop-down. To do that, balik ka ulit dito, add items, and then categories ulit, and then this one, choose mo lang siya. So, magkakaroon siya ng checkmark. Okay? And then, click on add items. And then, pag lumabas na yung parang compass arrow, drag mo lang siya, hold and click, and then drag mo siya, lagay mo siya under tutorials. And then makikita mo ito, meron ka ng drop-down. May social media management ka na. So every time you create a post, kailangan mo siyang i-categorize accordingly para mapunta siya dun sa tamang drop-down. And then, same goes and then, kung halimbawa gagawa ka ng panibago, let's say, Amazon VA, gawan mo rin siya ng menu, like what we did kanina, and then i-add mo lang din siya dito, and then i-drag mo siya under tutorials, and you will have it. Now, once you're happy with the setup, just go up dito, and then click on Save Changes. So, just go to Home, and then, pag visit mo yung site mo, andito na siya. Ayan. Meron ka ng drop-down. So that's how you can put yung different tutorials mo into different categories. Ganun mo siya i-categorize. And that's how you can do it. So that's it for our portfolio creation tutorial. If you want to see a sample of the tutorials that I did make, I will be leaving a link sa description below. Just feel free to check that out. And please, again, remember to subscribe to the channel para ma-update ka lagi sa mga new videos and tutorials that I will be making. Thanks again for watching.